How to read Wattpad stories. Here's how to start reading stories on Wattpad, free, easy, and straight from your phone or browser. Step 1. Go to the App Store, Google Play, or visit wattpad.com. Sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Step 2. Tap the search icon and type in a title, genre, or author name. You can explore anything from romance and fantasy to fanfiction and horror. Step 3. Tap on any story you like to open it. Check the cover, description, and tags to get a feel for what's it about. You'll also see the number of parts/chapters and reads. Step 4. Tap read to begin. Swipe or scroll to move through the story. You can adjust font size, background color, or enable dark mode in the reading settings. Step 5. Tap the plus icon or add to library to save it for later. Some stories also allow offline reading, which you can toggle if you're using the mobile app. Just a little heads up, most stories on Wattpad are free, but some paid stories require coins to unlock chapters. You can earn free coins by watching ads. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.